Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make brioche cinnamon rolls. Let's get started. I will make the brioche bread first. Some warm milk. Add some sugar to the milk. Add a little yeast to the milk. Mix them well, then set aside. Add some bread flour to the stand mixer. Add some sugar, salt. Give a good mix. Then gradually add the yeast and milk mixture I prepared before. Beat 3 eggs, then mix with the flour. Turn on the stand mixer at medium speed. Gradually add softened and salty butter. The dough will be wet and sticky at the beginning. My machine took 40 minutes to make it less sticky and strong. Keep it in a warm place until the size is doubled. After 1.5 hours, my dough is ready. Equally divide it into 2 portions. Degaze each dough. Then shape it into the ball. Keep them in a warm place and let them rest for another 30 minutes. While waiting, I will make the cinnamon filling. I use Muscovado sugar, castor sugar, cinnamon powder, a little nutmeg, dry milk, melted salty butter, one beaten egg. The cinnamon filling is finished. The dough is ready. Next, we will shape and bake the cinnamon rolls. Degas and roll out the dough. Make the dough 2 to 3 mm thickness. Add the cinnamon filling to the surface. Then evenly spread the filling. Tightly roll up the dough from one end. Pinch and seal. Each roll is 3 cm long. Let the dough rest for 1 hour before baking. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Bake the cinnamon rolls for 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, the cinnamon rolls are ready. Let them cool down. I will make the glaze. Powdered sugar, melted salty butter, vanilla extract. Gradually add heavy cream. Turn on the hand mixer at low speed. When the texture is creamy and no lumps, the glaze is ready. Add the glaze on top of the cinnamon rolls. My recipe is enough to make 18 rolls. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So each cinnamon roll cost me less than 45 cents. I'm going to enjoy my brioche cinnamon rolls with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.